Welcome. In 60 seconds, I'll show how to enter a Betmgm promo code. Open the Betmgm app or site and securely sign into your account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom menu to quickly open account settings. Select Promotions or My Offers to find the promo code entry field now. Tap the Enter promo code field. The keyboard will appear and the field highlights. Type the promo code exactly as given, then tap Apply. Close up now. Watch the input box and the Apply button highlighted with an animated arrow. Enter the code carefully, double-check characters, then press Apply to submit. Look for a confirmation banner or success message in green on screen. If it fails, check typos, capitalization, or whether the code expired. Once accepted, your bonus shows in Rewards, My Offers, or Wallet within minutes. Sign up or log in now. Enter the code and claim your Betmgm welcome bonus today.